Mr. Powell, we meet again. One Jamaica walk by, we're there. Rest of the vibe is right. Big up every time, man. Big up again, my boss. Respect. When we see you in the street, I have to call you out, you know, and come out good enough. Figure that, allow me to tell me, Jay. Outside. Nobody now big up nothing way forward from nowhere. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Right. Look how she come out. Big at 360 then, man. Lord of mercy, look good. When girl body good, it good. Figure that. Big up yourself. Look like, whoa. Road march, carnival. Just a meet up back to the truck. Check it by your YouTube. Click it. up.
Cause I'm feeling the I wanna pass you to you. Can I be to you? You are talking to you. I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. There's nothing about you. There's nothing about you, I love you, I love you.
Jamaica, brother, up! So we're going to meet back the trucks. Jamaica walk fine. What about the people there? just a vibe everywhere.
When you're ready with the man, the guy and the man when they come go jump. It's a vibe in the session when we jump into the steel band. Come on, join the line, grab your bottle and spoon. There's a party in the engine room.
Gonna play some new soca. Play some new future music.
Yeah man, Jamaica walk by.
That is it.
Market TV,
That is it.
and the Middle East. Azerbaijan.
Yeah. Jamaica swing. That is it.
Trinity Virgin.
Trinity Virgin. Touch it now, man.
Trinity Force. Trinity Force.
Pick up every time, man. One love, you hear that? The outside, come out. Pick up that. Look good now, man. Yeah. Man. Outside. Up to my friend.
Big up the girl that knows you look good in your costume. Big up the girl that knows about costume but you still look good. Big up the girl that knows you even your face them with your body banging. Big up the girl that knows you wine good. Start give me a sexy wine right now. Ladies! Ready?
Fine and hold it, twist your waist like fine and hold it. Bubble and hold it, like you. Fine and hold it, twist your waist like fine and hold it. Bubble and hold it, my girl just show off yourself. Good on then.
Wine, back it up on the body star. 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 Hold on now. Why my distance? Hold on. Stop a minute. Police officers have tried to pass or what? What are we doing? Hey, hold on, people. Please pay attention. There's an emergency. Police officers would like to pass freely. Why? So let them carry their gun. Why them carry the two boy, you police boy? Oh, them man.
Everybody walk around.
Them man. Which one will it make that boy? AD wobbling and muscle in the mix. Alright, after this, yo, security, lock it off for this. Lock it off for this. That they deal with.
Yeah, someone just want to leave, bro.
What's up, man?
Watch on the foot.
Brother, I'm to the man. Scotty, Romans. What about it? Hey, yo, private. Ready for kick them and shell them like peas? Okay. We're about to shell them like peas. Scotty, press go. When you're ready. We're about to shell it like peanut, shell it down like peas. Shell it down like peanut, shell it down like peas, alright. Shell it down like peanut, shell it down like peas. What is it? Shell it down like peanut, shell it down like peas. Every guy, start. Ready?
Respect. Outside. Yo! I mean, you do shout out your thing, them, man.
So yo, big up to Team Elevate, big up to Kinematic Studio, you see me? That's the vibe. Big up Walk and Dance.
That is it.
Big up, up, outside, pull it.
Outside, big up, big up.
If you have a Genex wristband, you can go into the after party. I thank you. Good night.
Yeah, but me just couldn't left them in another situation. They alone me want kick up ground, but you don't know it.
Missing iPhone 13 on the truck.
Yeah, man.
On this specific truck. An iPhone 13 pin to this truck. iPhone 13.
yeah, massive, it's all about carnival. I tell you, 2024, nothing normal. Yo, a long time I don't see so much people gather one place, I swear to God. You understand? Everybody outside. Everybody. So we actually stop here so for a while. You know what I mean? Maybe I just a little reboost. But trust me, the crowd is massive.
Michael, Richie just walked up 2 seconds ago.
Tell them. Front seat, man. You're being nice straight.
Big up Suki all day, every day. One Suki here.
That is it. Outside. Big up yourself, my friend.
Carnival with it.
Figure that? Yeah. Massive, we just walk around, we are trying to catch all of the happenings everywhere. I've been a video here, you know, give a shout out now, big up somebody. When I see one in the street, I have to call them out, you know, and come out good enough. Figure that, allow me to tell me, Jay, outside. Nobody now big up nothing way forward from nowhere. Yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Right.
Look how she come out. Bigger 360 then, man. Lord of mercy, look good. When girl body good, it good. Figure that. Big up yourself. Look like, whoa. Yeah, fun. Jamaica walk by.
Alright.
Martin, big up yourself. Here, my friend. Outside, can I give your Instagram a shout out? Nah, alright. Big up every time, man. Oh, mama. Outside, no man. Look good, no man. Look there, no man. Wait, Lord God, hear me teacher.
Don't know, say one Simba and I see it, one dancing police, I see it.
That is it. That is it. Big up every time, me respect manners.
One connection still.
Yeah, I want good link here, boy, I go on good. How you mean? Outside. Take care, see? One love. A lot of the patron them are forward that side here, not sure why. Mr. Powell, we meet again. One Jamaica walk by, we're there. Rest of the vibe is right. Big up every time, man. Big up again, my boss. Respect. What? He I not play with him, man. One Mr. Powell. I saw for Powell. I play with the chap outside. Them time everybody does act normal and be fun. See me? the internet a behave like him now have no manners more wild, trust me. But we are see what's what. Get a Rambo. Eh? Yeah, so yeah, we just there so for a little while, everybody are congregate here, so I'm not sure what is going to happen here, but people just everywhere have fun, trust me. The vibe is right. So the truck them a move again. Outside again. I'm not gonna march. Let's go. Moving again.
Look at the location. Look at the location. I get everybody down in the place.
You know, so I feel like we just march, go back on that side. I want to know why them turn off the music and I wonder if they might make the traffic fast. Or I think they might go back on the other side. No, this is not the Yui Carnival. This is the big general carnival in Jamaica. Yui Carnival keep already. send me the iPhone card. Plug it in. Stay outside. Hold it phone at two sides. On my base, yeah. This. Come up, come. Let's walk. Now remove the rubber and plug the USB in it. Follow the march, we can see if we can go around that side. Why not? Carnival in Jamaica right now with their Emancipation Park, so we're going to half a tree, you know. It's just a vibe. We just capture the experience, the happenings, everything. You understand? Yeah man, I say whole Kingston locked down right now. If you're coming to Kingston and you're not coming to party, don't do it. Big up my friend, where you from? Jamaica walk by, having fun? Look like she didn't even speak English. You can tell, you know, like she don't understand not what I say I blow. If you don't speak much, when you see them like that, then Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, they're just there. I wonder if we just walk the other side, you know, because God knows. The traffic can make the whole of this lock off. So guess what we're going to do? Yeah, listen massive, here what we're going to do. We're going to go back to the center because the traffic make everything just hard to go around. You understand? So all the truck them just pile up. So guess what? We're going to go right back through the crowd on the other side. We're not about to go around. Because they have to block off the music and just have to wait for crazy traffic that side. So if we walk through the crowd and everything back up the top, we're good. So that we are going to do. Traffic everywhere, so we could just take a different route where things actually are going, you know? good now, man. That is hey. So we'll go up on the opposite side and go on the next side. Oh yeah man, the ladies them come out man, no joke. Careful. In general. Oh, you are working. This is currently New Kingston. Alright, so it is the official carnival in Jamaica. Street march. Alright, so that is it. So the entire Kingston is pretty much on lockdown. Ladies and people everywhere. That is it. I can't catch that again. Hey, for that, give us Instagram a shout out.
That's it.
Freda, alright, big up yourself here. Cool. Alright, so massive, we just take a different route, go back up in the crowd, which I would walk, because the traffic on the other side is just way too much. So we're up on Knoxford Boulevard. And we just go back around. One of them fast food restaurants are full up, you know. Crazy, everywhere. I walk about this. That is it. Jamaica walk by. Alright, so we just take our next route and we'll go back up in the excitement. So if you have for an event like this, you have to find some people where you probably park your car like 2 miles away and walking. You have to figure out how to reach back your vehicle here. So if you're not smart, make sure you're in a traveling group where at least somebody can go back for the vehicle and meet you somewhere else. Or go to a spot where you know say the entire crowd will go forward and just brace there. Trust me. It's just people in the entire Kingston. Outside. Alright, so reach back up at the one of the starting zone. Camera gonna catch you in front of come on good enough. Yes man. That is it. Man.
Hold up! You know see the Delta move. It's a rich move. Yeah, all those on the Delta move, it's a rich. It's a rich! Sing a silent addict, silent addict, the problem come on. Ready?
Them a plan and wait for this fear. Big smile.
Oh, there you Hold up. I am the manager of Bentley in Jamaica. Anybody else a join Bentley?
I read it.
At the hotel one. Get up along like a I don't record the shots right now.
Not my fault, but you gotta flirt. She go spot me till the public on the road. It's another jerk. It's another way. Them a plan and wait for this fear.
Give me the rich man, sir. Watch the style of cheap on the ground. Can't tell us the day. Lick the beer right now.
Escape the universe box. Not that I can buy in a box. Style of time to show the verse box. Last time before me, I snapped them for 6. Me no waste time to the watch for listen. Step on the road like tire. Over the world, man, hot like fire.
What is that? Jump with this beer now.
Let's go! Everything from London, my street, nothing ever come from China. I mean, papa, me got them. Me friends, it about them. Every day me a slum them. You need it, come back them. Watch out now. See them too swimming like bleach. I'm the too black and I like bleach. Phone must stop bring when I night bleach. Even a girl want try bleach. I see him some of it. I don't fly ready now. Some of it. I don't take a plane already. I don't put my suit here. I see some of it. Hey, I don't put my suit here. Ready? When you want to do the easy. Ladies, if you cannot follow me home, follow me on Instagram. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're the first boss. I'm sorry for you. Yeah. Yes, that's right. When you want to do the party.
Can you give you a shout out? What's your Instagram? What's your Instagram?
Royalty KG.
Royalty KG.
_ royalty K.G.
That is it. Beautiful. So our Instagram is royalty.kg. Check her out.
This walking life, champagne on the eye, Regent Street, we know the life. Now she know the price, jump inside with the emoji eyes. Only the space inside, you just screen with a remote device. Bad we bad we bad, bad we bad we bad. People wanna hear that style when you are searching a pool. Bad we bad we bad, bad we bad we bad. Listen to me, get it right.
Some boy and a girl is one.
One double. I remember me selected them, you know.
That's a ritual.
Please, squeeze. Right now I see a tremendous amount of fun. I just beg you, if you can play even one girl song, I beg you, just one girl song and you can get back to the juggling. But I see a tremendous amount of fun. I want you to let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let something for them. Let them get mad now. Stop these two guys here. I can't even one of them go down. Yeah, here's the hungry rasta say my third ticket. I need 10 days to come check me right now. 10 kilos. I am coming from and after that I'm going to do my social after madness. And check this about and you can start at 17. Okay? And if you want to know where the team is going, we start at social after madness. Okay? Check this about okay? So ladies, I have someone here for you. Any girl that wants to come to me there, just come to this one.
Yeah, thank us. All is well, that is it, bro.
Yeah. Any girl that wants to come, what do you want to do? You're rich and you're $17,000. Yeah. Which guy wants $1,000? See how far I got it. This guy wants $1,000. Come in. There you go. There you go, my friend. In the belly. I can't afford to take care of the baby. Jesus, one more baby coming. Let me go down. Yes, baby, you get the woman. You my friend. You get the woman before you're wrong. Yeah. Look at yourself. Something look at yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, if you cannot follow me home, follow me on Instagram.
Oh man, yeah massive, we're back at it again. Party spot everywhere. Yeah, my teacher, which one them gone to, you know? Which one them gone to, you know? Half a tree side, I think half a tree. Yeah, over this side. Yeah. Way down grabber, way down grabber. Yeah, man. That's cool. Yo, Alex. Let's hold on on this, yeah. In case you see anything else you want. Yeah, man, do you think? Yeah, man, Jamaica Wawa, I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, man.
I work in Canada and
yeah. You're a YouTuber too, where? I'm gonna let my friend take your link so we can link up.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you're one dead.
My one dead.
So vibe, love it.
Yeah, alright, respect.
Martin, no man, don't go away, man. I'm gonna take your link. I'm just waiting on my friend.
Okay.
Because I'm actually using my phone to stream it right now. Live, you know?
Right now.
Yeah. We said the carnival, great.
Mad up.
Yeah, actually wait for me. You know, we can't make the ladies them pass. We have to show them up, you know. Outside nice shade. Alex, take this guy number for me. Please.
Look up on IG.
Yeah. Yeah, my Instagram, everything at Jamaica walk by. They're right here, sir.
No, sir, you can't do that.
Bro, on the outside, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, my friend, I'm outside. I'm a teacher, everything, Mick. Alright, man. Respect one lick. See, Jamaica walk by. See, respect, bro. Big up for the say, how you mean? From the outside that street to the know where you go. From the outside that street to the know where you go. Yeah. Oh God. Yeah, you don't realize they said they now we can't never talk some words. Man, look good man. Oh gosh. They use some term there. Hot chuck. Yo, it's a Zuki 30. Yo, everybody we have to dig up Zuki, you know. No joke thing, look on that one. Outside. Where say y'all looking?
Yeah, man, I eat, man.
That is it, man.
VIP, you understand?
See that, man.
VIP, you understand?
Figure that.
Look at that.
Big up my teacher, hear that?
See that?
Look good. Ready for the bookings, everything. Marty, look good. Figure that. Outside, my teacher. Respect. Yeah, man, you wish you're in Jamaica right now. Just forward, man. Where's my teacher? They can't even wish. We there. That is it. The boss said we are going to the heart again. Crazy amount of thing again. Alright, so we're on our way to Devon. I said the entire Kingston lockdown, bro. Party everywhere. From one party to another party as the road march move. So them supposed to go through half a tree side now. And then back to police officers club. So it's just crazy. They had my virgin, you understand? Local brother, great Alex, Brandon. Yeah, man. I don't know which side. So right over there, so now you have poles. Even over poles look like it ram up. I miss a party are going everywhere. At a poles parking lot. Woo. Oh, we are going up a massive crowd. We are going up. We're going to the art. Which one of them? Oh, it's a DJ Pocket Tree.
Oh, so I want to get up on vehicles.
Yeah, man. You just buy the accessories feed.
So, how you get?
You can, right now, them probably sold out online on Amazon. You probably have to get it like by $5 or Walmart. DJI Pocket Tree. Yeah. Alright, that's a party in there, so to you know, Alex. Yeah, man, as the crowd a move. Pick up yourself, my friend. Go outside. Back around. Jason and Gina, Wagwan. Great Aussie video tours there, you know. And then I rode like a white line, like literally. Cross again. I know that Jamaica play calypso a lot based on the fact that we have a carnival. So you must know you go. Even though for the carnival we still play all of them kind of dance all day. You see? Manners. I just go through some dark spot as we roll through. On top of our next function. Orient Freestyle and Adventure, you don't know. Orient Freestyle Adventure, big up yourself, my bro. Big up my teacher. And this should have been a yard for my teacher. Blow wow, Orient. No joke, bro. Who are up on the live right now? You go and comment and big up some people. Glad that in at the place. Remember, you can sign up for membership. Easy chop a month time. Exclusive content and just in general just say you not support Jamaica walk by, you see? Respect. Big up to all my new members. No joke, no doubt. So right now we're there. Right at Hope Road there, so I know Devon knows they cross the street. Yeah, ladies everywhere. Alright, look over there now. Woo. I have Krispy Kreme over there, so. And see. Yeah, man. Now where the crowd gone now? Police officer scrub our arbitrary.
Carnival done, sir.
Carnival not done yet. We across. Chuck them gone around already. Which side they gone? Up so. Chuck them in gone around to come up, you know. They probably reach up. They probably got up that side there. They probably up that one. Here right thing set up. Yeah, but just work with the traffic. This is how Jamaica look. You know what I mean? Street sweeper, them are gonna need. But I know them are gonna need a crazy thing that street sweeper to clean up this mess. The way street dirty. The whole of Kingston right now. Fully litter. No joke. Fully litter. I don't know what them are going to use to clean up all of this. Alright, make a cross. See them on the mobile kitchen up on the move. What do you mean?
Figure it out. Alright, see ya.
Alright, so we're currently walking on Hope Road and we're at the police officers club. It's just up the road. So it's not a long walk either. But I don't know. Street carnival in a Jamaica. Lit. No joke. Yeah. Jack, big up yourself, you know what I mean? The real Josie, mad thing. Renata, big up yourself. Skylar Goodrich, big up yourself, you don't know a thing go. Yeah man. Outlaw Mackay. Madam Bud. Respect. Bigger road through there. Outside. Next side, teacher. Take your left one. Figure that. So anyway, you see traffic start pile up, you know, so up there's a ram up. West night place. Jaja son, that is it, man. Figure that. You see me, Chef. Chef Dan, big up yourself. No joke. Killer. Killer YT. Big up every time, bro. Yo, Sky, we are there with big up all Toronto massive, no man. Look good. We not play. We outside. We are bringing to you the experience. Nothing less, nothing less. The experience. Look like a connection great and thing. Yeah. Oh, you mean? So guess what, me now? We have a treat for you now. Here how the treat go. Anybody when I get to watch this the real way, me I go upload the pre-recording. So you can get to watch it, the entire thing in upon the TV, big and full, because I actually pre-record it too as well, as much as we are stream live. Yeah. You see me? So we actually have it for horizontal and we actually have it vertical. See? So the stream is vertical, I record it in 4K horizontal. See? So you can get that to see on a later date, wider and bigger things. Because I realized earlier we didn't have a connection problem. But boy, I don't come off a live at all. Honest. Yeah, I don't come off a live not even one time. I could bring it back at 2,000. 1,600 down. Let's go to 2,000, 3,000. We're going up in the big thing right now. Police Officers Club lit. Turn up loud. And we are move. You understand? Yeah, JS and Gene, I realize connection clean now. Yeah. We want to share the live. Make sure you like up the live too as well. You understand? That is it. Drop some comment in the comment section too. I could just build everything. I always go sign up for membership. Sign up for membership on Jamaica Walk By. And you get some exclusive content. And then in a loop. You understand? But if you drop a video today, I said I go drop it. I go drop it later on tonight. I walk off Walton Park Road. From Ugly Park Road straight to Spanish Town Road. And then we walk through up to Painland and all of them places where everybody say dangerous. We walk them as a video tours. Straight back to 3 Mile. It was an epic walk, massive. Mad video for watch. Trust me. Let's go. Who else? Gina, yourself, you're there. Yeah, you don't know. Well, Lexi there. Lexi, big up yourself. If you watch it live right now on Kylie and I stress you out. Give you a crazy problem. Yeah. Isilda, big up. No joke. Big around let me teach you. Respect. Yeah, man.
yourself, no make nobody top you. It's a celebration every time we meet up, yeah. We the top like 7 on a beach truck, yeah. Right, so let's stop us and get the free stuff and stop us over yourself. Enjoy yourself, no make nobody top you.
So bad, I'm a police. So stand with you, can't tell me young bully. Still smoking out the whole bag, my eyes are ace. And got money, like video weed. Be proud of who you is. I even mind, never mind for me. Back to when nobody wants it. We still have what you lose. Let me man a piece of bread. Get the loop here, my dream. Just wanna work, the money's soon coming in. And no make nobody tell you nothing. Tell them so whatever them no want you come out for nothing. You're not afraid to be yourself. Just live for you and nobody else. Look up first if you love is smoke. Love who you want to.
Red to bird to that place, you know.
Bad mind
red to bird to that place, you know.
Can you red like that make it was a yo. The youngest
red to bird that place, you know.
And if you don't like me, you don't like it.
Check out that see a free supplement represent for yourself. Right side of supplement.
Wish me could have tell you I'm perfect, but I'm not. You see, said one from the block. Many of my friends are here, some not. I had a couple running with the cops, but just anything I thought, I'm not fair. I'm gonna push down.
Every girl in the village, kind of feel open over all about the business. Tell them about the star ball and no skimmage. Hey DJ, turn it up DJ. And she was gonna say DJ, play back, right side. When you're the side of left side. She was gonna say all about baby. This is a project.
Be a minute. Be a minute. Be a minute. Yeah, man, see big up Super Jen, you don't know. And if you just link me, you know, maybe do the promotion for you, you see? What corporate there? What on the there? What the boom energy drink there? What Super Jen there? What Grace there? What? And you just call me and tell me so I don't want me to be on the ambassador, man. I just deal the job. You know what I mean? Whole heap of nice goodies. Whole heap of them things that we can go give away a nice street and basing thing and a little piece of change in my pocket and I'm good, man. You understand? I would just work. You see me Super Jen, you see me Grace, you see me Boom, you see me Excelsior. Lord. All I want to know, just forward. I'm ready for the brand ambassador now. In the forward. Just tell me what I want, I could deal with it. Don't say if I lie me I tell, don't say I lie me I tell. Whenever truth me I talk, and I just say a real talk. What you mean? Let's go. Why if you ain't talk, I wouldn't even know say this up. Yeah. Go through. was a little of that. What you say? Chris Martin manager, you understand? And the big deal boss manager from him band till now. Kingy, yo, what you say? Crazy thing for the summer.
So I say, yeah, my artists are working, man, a whole new things that come out, man. See, yo, did I easy?
You know, that's some mistake, man. No thing, man. You understand? You're a real G, you know. You understand? Kingy, me know you from me. I look at you before me know even know what me I do, you know. I respect every time. I can find out when they have the media, you know. If not, go on for me. Yeah. Yeah, me teacher, big up and respect. Yeah, me a stream and I want to find out some questions come camp by the end of live. I want to do for media, I want to do for media. Jamaica walk by. What we could talk to? Oh, alright, Jamaica walk by. Make sure they stream live right now. I have 2,000 people on the live, but we can't by the end if we go start it back to find out. So we just have one talk. But I'm not give media no run. Our wife, we have to go pay or how we do it.
I'm not sure about that, but my instructions to me get.
Yeah, tell me.
Instructions to me get is that you have to have a armband for pass right here.
Alright, so, so which one to get the armband?
On the bus, take it.
On the bus, so better them, me talk to them.
Yeah.
Alright, then big up our respect, see? Me I go talk to them, because I think of the official, you see me?
That's Jerry, carry me, you know?
Let's go see what's going on. Alright, so we have to find out if we have a peer, they say if you have ticket for going. So we can find out how the procedure go, how it thing go, and see if the party they look like it lit, look like it a go all a vibe, crazy thing a go over there, so we could go find out. I wonder which bus, I wonder if I think it bus is for here, right there, sir? Alright, let me turn this over here, so. Yeah, actually a YouTuber. Jamaica walk back, I want to find out how they give media the run or if the media have a still place. Actually a stream live say, well, it's a nice if them send someone like me over there so we can know what going to them forward. We have 2,000 people now up and running, so if you don't want any to go start again. So if they just want to know, I'm going to tell them to get that. And that's how we get the ticket. How much is the ticket then? $12. Alright, massive. So far $1,200 ticket for going. So here what we are going to do. Oh, $12,000. Alright, so $12,000 for going at the party. So I'm not sure anything about the party. It seems like from the 12,000 it's an all-inclusive party then. Right? It's an all-inclusive party. Alright, so 12,000 head for going for the party. You understand? All-inclusive party. So right now let me see. Police officers club. We still give them strength, you know, we're no joke. You understand? Me not having 12,000 for going, so we can still bring some people to come forward, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, Alex, you hear how much you going? $12,000 for your head for going. It's a kind of hard to pay the 12 grand for going and then promote the party at the same time. So that kind of defeat the whole purpose. Yeah, massive. So it's an all-inclusive event for going over there. There's your 12,000. Whole heap of beautiful ladies over there, they look good. No joke, no doubt. So, it's crazy. We'd like to find out if media get run still, but you know, we never know about that one still. So, we just go easy. Yeah, man, on the ear right. Yeah. So, police officers club, a big thing, a massive thing. Look on it, from you look on the stage, you can tell say, our massive event. Massive event. Yeah, what you say? Yeah, man, the ladies them there, man. No joke thing, them there, man. Wally, but me want to go inside of the party there, but that $12,000 them see a head for go in. Yeah. So, hold on, let me see what I'm going on the other side. all of the window them are the same thing. Yeah. So ample parking and beer things. Yeah. But that when we find 12 grand right now, we play for one party, we go in, we promote it. And trust me, y'all know say we not make no money from this, right? Because the amount of copyright and all of them infringement there and sit on, you don't know say no money now make from this either. Nah, nothing. So I just them alone would have give the entire promotion and all of that. So yeah, I don't know which avenue to take. Yes, you heard right. How much in US is that? 12,000, about $80. About that, about 80 US. About $80 US for going in the party right now. Yeah. What else? Well, yes, let me read some of the comment them. It's a Jamaica walk by. Please, can you give us a full screen if possible? I actually pre-recorded so I can't get to see about the event. But we go full screen right now. I have to go end the live. We do that back over again. And then it now going to reach the amount of people like what you see here. I am watching from my TV, man. It needs to turn the phone. It's like, yeah, I understand and I know you understand, but when time you do it like this, YouTube respond more better to it, other than the other way, which is the horizontal way. You see me? Yeah, that is expensive for Jamaican. $12,000 for going at the party. Yeah, I know one normal job. Okay. Big up yourself, my friend. Had fun today? Had fun today? It was great. Up and down. Huh?
Jamaica names come around me in the bathroom. I went to fucking cry.
Oh man, damn. Some Jamaican men, trans, coming at the bathroom. Yeah. So Alex, hold it more place left. Can circle. So what you want to do? Call the shots for now. Well, that's crazy thing I go on, you know. I'm not joking, man. Yeah. Big up every time, man. Massive, yeah, man. Tucson, big up yourself, man. There. It was all about street carnival. Big up all wheels, massive. You understand? UK, so far now, watch them. Hey, yo, you have to show you more woman, not men. Yo, you know, see woman and man mix up in everything. You think we can just X out the whole of man them and just show be a woman? Impossible. You don't feel like the woman them want to see some man too. Who said that? Jack, let me ask you something. You don't feel like say the woman them want to see some man too? Hey Jack, you don't feel like the woman them want to see man them? Look how much woman you don't see from there. You don't feel like we have woman on the channel too? Want to see two man? Come on now, man. There's a 2 ticket, 5 grand.
1,500, beer. Oh yeah, the sell one at 5 1. Beer.
working on it. I'm trying to text somebody. I'm working on going inside. But show me a street live. Around serious road is going on. That one that people really over there. And that me I say. Party not officially started. So all this media go pay. All the mission media go pay for it. I think if me that benefit. If me that benefit me go. But me not benefit to go in. And the party not start yet. So may I wait a little bit first. You have some media crew though. But actually, how much I charge to get them from going? 10. So pretty much I'm my general, so at 20 grand that we go inside a party. And number one, me not even drink liquor. Me not drink liquor. So if you go in there, if you go record it, wouldn't even work out. No time for me because me not drink, me not smoke. And then we're not gonna make no money from this whatsoever. And then we still give them all of the promotion, every business over there, every label over there, every different liquor, ladies, entity, I go get the promotion from it. So anyway, take it a straight lose for me. So only benefit to that day if them let me in for free. Yeah, cho. Hope them just enjoy themselves. Yeah. Someone said we just wait, make a crowd build up a little bit. And all of that.
$1,500.
I try to get to know it. Yeah, so I can reason now, we are trying to reason out the thing, see? We try to reason out the thing. Yeah, we are reason out the thing, so if you look into it, see? Chop blocking light. So we'll go over that side. Alright, so I can reason out the thing. Then say 12 grand for going, see? 12,000, so it's an all-inclusive party. By police officers club. Can't pay that 12,000. I go over there and give them so much promotion. I will not make no money at all from a video. So it kinda rough. And I me and my brethren, so me I go pay that $24,000 that for going at the one party. You understand? You have some G out of gate still, I sell ticket for discounted price still. You know what I mean? But then again it's still steep. You know what I mean? So we just there go and take it easy and that's how I go on. But there's so much things, other things going on. We probably jump on some other event, probably go some other place or such, you understand? Outlaw, what go on? No, yeah. No man, we can show the money. Outlaw say me not happy. We can show the money so we can pay for going. We can pay for going. But it don't make sense pay for going to one party like this and not benefit. None at all. I mean no drink. We not drink no liquor. None of them somewhere. We can pay for going. We don't have to prove it. We can pay. But if it honestly was an event that I got benefit from, I go in there. I pay the money and go in there and video it and bring it to you, but it don't make no sense. So much on the on the live once so I go on in there, yes. You understand, but we not benefit from it neither. After all of the walk there from there and then we go pay 24,000 for going on one party right now. And we not benefit none at all from it. And we just give them all of the free promotions. It's kind of rough. Yeah. Chris Wagwan, big up. Jaja son, big up every time. They don't know a thing go. Yeah, man. They say do it for the yeah, but do it for the content. The content are pretty much not going to work either. Trust me. On the outside, we're outside and crazy woman about outside and you can get to see ladies them. And I'm saying a loads more event are going. You understand? This is just like the biggest one so far. You see me? Stephen, they must say over here, they must say if you just do it. Wait them man, look them man. They must say, hold on, me turn back the camera car. Nah man, you know I mean none pass man, you understand? Look good. Alright, so I could talk to you while we do it so. Alright, I could debate now. My boy said 1,800 people up on the live, so I could go in. What do you say? Alright, so how much is that in US? If I'm not 80, about $80, about $80 or $90 US dollar for touching our party. And a 2 away. You see me? Yeah, so far I saw things set up. So I probably circle another event or roll with this one. You understand? I'm not sure you. We are working it out. Oh, that go away. No, unfortunately, not right now. I would just a teacher would want to know. Ask the general now. Yeah, ask him. Because he has a script, so he probably. Yeah. So we did it the right way. But yeah, it's a massive event. Alright, alright, that's the next thing too. You make a good point, hold on there. You make a good point, hold on. Let me do this. You make a good point. What if, see, pretty much, remember I catch me before, what if me pay for going and then they say, we can't film in there. So, we pay the money, give them all of the advertisement, and still can't film, we not even give uno the content. Which is which? At Jamaica, this is the place where different though. So, that's why we say with the walk, you better stay for the main. Some I don't understand, but the whole heap of thing that mean, you see me? So, yeah. But as the ladies, enough for them outside. One whole heap. You understand? And you can't say you don't get justice today. We see crazy amount of ladies, crazy amount of yeah, man. Alright. So, we're there. So I don't me I think about still. I don't want to go pay it either, and then yes, so we can't film in there either. I not even remember about that. So the person who said that, it makes sense because I remember same thing with Uptown Mondays. Remember say after we're going to Uptown Mondays and in there now, all of a sudden them say we can't film and basing. So all of that waste. You see me? Yes, Sophia. A real thing, man. No joke, no doubt. Look good. Crazy ladies everywhere, man. All of the man them craft full today. You see me? But yeah, enough more place around. So we'll probably find another event and forward, or we just make a move from here. So you see me? Yeah. Alright, just eat that. Yeah, man. I show you something. So we not buy right now, me teach you. Beg a run show.
Too much ticket, bye-bye.
You think a ticket mama want to get?
Sex. Ladies, what's up, I wanna fuck you like I need to be that. You need to get your own baby, Papa comes in a hard to be up.
Gonna see what I want, make him over the list.
Pretty little muffin, give your sweet part and you just a bloody. Some love the good pussy, then I come show me like a pussy in your tummy. Then the pussy come me, smell the call your mommy. Why do that no body? I'm not the man that tell me say the plan and that shit, but me know I should. What do you think girls? What is so good in the bed? No ladies, I want to step up like that, but now. We go out my party, give me a quick coffee girl then. Ladies, shake your bum. Ladies, you can shake. Everything are in smile. Let me see you.
Come to me, darling. Alright, massive. Even Fridays. Fridays, I think about Fridays lit. Go back Friday. Right now over the empty. Over the empty, man. Yeah, over there now. Over there now full up yet, man. I mean already easy jump that. But over there now full up yet, bro. I mean I want to go a chance if you go pee and then they say you can't film in there. You understand? But Fridays, a party over Fridays too. A party over Fridays and thing. Yeah. But anyways, I eat that here, man. I'm tired. Yeah, I'm tired. So anyways, we're gonna just work it right this up. You see me, I'm tired. So it was a great day, a whole heap of things going. If we find the next active party, our next active place where things are going nice and things, maybe gas up back a next live or so. But for now, when I see the traffic that we may have to go face, no, rotted. We have to figure out how to reach back at the vehicle. Yeah, so we have to do that there first, and then we see how we can get out of Kingston, or we'll find out which are the next party there and see what go on, you see me? So yeah, all that massive, them big up on yourself, man, we're there. Jamaica loud. David Lee, big up every time, you understand? Brazil Marines, big up every time, you understand? Don't think go. Jack, you don't know. Where's the one bit? Oh. Yeah. You know about the channel? That is it. So they are live and thing, Jamaica walk by. So massive, I don't know the place slow, the place are normal. Who else there? Theory kids, big up every time. Richard, big up. Look good now, man. Oh, see that? J forward. Yeah. Oh, the G give people parking and thing. But yeah, but before we're going to close down away, be a singer one. No joke. Sing out! Jamaica walk by. Oh, down there, so. Yeah, down there. Oh, over here. Yeah, down there.
We're trying to scale it first.
Yeah. Scale it, me on to scale it now. You scale it if it's good, and me shoot them up. And then you drive me over. So massive, if about 4 rounds are rolling up, or 5 rounds, you know, a good $100,000 that already. Bikers them out.